beautiful people. It's day 5. Day 5. Right now, I'm up, I'm dressed for the most part for the day. I have to go back in the house and wash my face, but I'm up and dressed for the day. Today is Friday, so it's roast and ambush. 2 parties. I'm still waiting on this girl to send my roast ticket, so hopefully she don't flake on me. And then I have to we're gonna go to roast, and then we're gonna come back, literally get ready for Caesar's Army, and then go straight there. That starts at 1. So yeah, that's today in a nutshell. Right now, we are going to pick up Nakaya from the airport, and yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna keep this wrap on for the rest of the day because it's been raining lately. I'm tired of doing my hair on the top. I'm really tired of my hair on the top of my head. But yeah, I'll see you guys after we pick up Nakaya and everything. We get back in the house. We get situated. See y'all soon.
Sitting Satan out for all.
Alright, so we are on our way to
Look at you now, with your new friends acting like you is a big shock now. Pictures on Instagram, clearly you living the life now. Every flat, every boat ride, you and your girl on the inside. Still didn't see a sense of mind, but
we're walking to find food. Just see Kai back there. Walking to find food because no one else is ready. And boarding started at 4 and it's well after 4. This is ridiculous.
I go hold your girl, as collateral. I go hold your girl, as collateral. See you a we jamming. See you a we whining. Pay back when we jamming. To your baby, where you owe me, yeah. I don't want the situation explode, but I need the money that I did loan out to you. Every time I see you, it's a sad story. Woman expecting a baby. What you telling me at all? I see in you now. Driving up and down in a BMW now. You done pay in full for you and your girl costume now. Every event in VIP, flying out of the country, still ain't seeing my money, but I go hold your girl, as collateral. I go hold your girl, as collateral. See to a we jamming. See to a we whining. Pay back when we jamming. So you pay me, but you owe me, yeah. I can know she for ransom. This is the only solution for the money that overdue. No need for discussion. You default your payment. This is insurance. But look at you now, with your new friends acting like you is a big shock now. Pictures on Instagram, clearly you living the life now. Every flat, every boat ride, you your girl on the inside. Still ain't see a cent of mine, but I gon' hold your girl as collateral. I gon' hold your girl as collateral. See through what we jamming. See through what we whining.
Is you lit? You lit?
Hey, we out here, man. We out here.
Lit or no? Go. This man know how to keep the party. Say, there you go. Give him a high five. Leave him alone. Keep the party there. Party not done. Okay, Kai. We not go home now. We not go home. Let's go. Party not done.
You probably taking a cab.
You hella lit like right now. You can't see nothing.
No.
I know you can't see us. Lit.
Is Eddie what?
Alright guys, so we are up finally and getting ready for A.M.Bush. I'm gonna as much as I can on. Cut the shirt real quick. Let's everybody out. Ready? Alright, now backpack. And we out.
Tell them all this stink and dirty. Viking. Double M. Hey. This. They come out of us, man. They blows the belting like they want.
Alright guys, so we made it. It's time to fet. Yes, to the light, bro. Dead ass.
They blows the belting like they want a boss, man. No matter what they do, me I do bound to them. Way they get in on like they want to come for me. So tell them come for me. Tell them we don't afraid nobody. All them bad mind people, them who trying to stop we. I looking for fighters here with the same energy. Hit them with powder, tell them all the stink and dirty. Tell them we don't afraid. Tell them we don't afraid. Tell them we don't afraid. Tell them we don't afraid nobody. Right now I'm feeling it. Viking. Just now. Take a chip now. Hey. Shake your hip, wow. We are the sound of 100,000 coming on the road. We are the vibration that you feel when the music loads. We are the mud and the oil and we come the dirty of the clothes. I made the girl them wine and strike the electric pose. Hey. Take a chip now. Hey. Shake your hip now. Hey. Take a sip now. Wine and go dip now. Hey, I swear we are the sound them selectors play every day, making you sway. And when the girl them telele and shadow dingole, I hear the soul crowd say, we are the sound of soca. Big bad soca.
Control bumper there. Face bumper there. Sit down in my chair. Sukwe bumper there. 1 foot in the air. 1 hand holding back. With 1 flick in your hair. Shamu pani my way. Hey, split in the middle. Make the 2 twice jiggle. Climb on a table. My girl, I know you able. Split in the middle. Make the 2 twice jiggle. Climb on a table. My girl, I know you able. Bounce on the spring.
Sit up and down.
I just want to ride on you, got it too.
Everybody look around. Look around.
Here it is. Is this a bet or is this a... They want to know.
Dream team.
Why this human is so good? Behave like animal. And they want to know what have we sold. They say we have a mental disorder. Too much of normal behavior. Just live free and know we breathe control. We run like no harder. We have a crazy persona. It's bad.
We try to stay true. We try to just talk about one day.
From A.M.Bush. I was clean before we left. Y'all see what I look like? This is so bad. Look at my legs. Covered in paint. Look at my shoes. Covered in paint. Everything. But it's lit. I'm about to go in the house. Pee. Take a shower. Cook some food. And then we gotta go pick up our costumes. And today's a chill day because it's Saturday. So we have nothing to do. So I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog.